What's up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily market close update for Monday, May 11th, 2026. The mood on Wall Street today? Definitely mixed. Indices pushed higher, but underneath the surface, big tech told two very different stories. Let's get into the numbers. The S&P 500 closed at 739.30, up 0.2%. The Nasdaq edged higher by 29 basis points to 713.29. And the Dow Jones gained 0.2%, finishing at 497.11. Green across the board for the major indices. But these are modest gains. Nothing explosive here, folks. Now let's talk about the Magnificent Seven, because this is where it gets interesting. Tesla was today's big winner, surging 3.89% to close at $445 a share. That is a serious move. Nvidia also had a strong session, climbing nearly 2% to 219.44. Bulls were clearly in control of those two names. But on the flip side, Alphabet got hit hard, dropping 3.03% to 388.64. That's a rough day for Google's parent company. Meta also slipped, falling 1.77% to 598.86. And Amazon closed down 1.35% at 268.99. So 3 of the 5 biggest movers in megacap tech were in the red. That's why we're calling this session mixed. Let's jump over to commodities, because there's a standout here. Silver absolutely ripped today, surging 6.83% to $78. That is a monster move for silver. Gold was quieter, ticking up just 0.2% to $434.65. Oil was also on the move. WTI crude jumped 3.8% to $138.66 a barrel. Energy traders were clearly active today. And that ties into our headline watch. Saudi oil giant Aramco reported a 25% jump in first quarter profit. The company shifted exports away from the Strait of Hormuz. That's a significant logistical development for global oil markets. Meanwhile, traders are closely watching geopolitical developments. Yahoo Finance reports that momentum-obsessed traders are seeking clues on a potential Iran truce. Any progress there could have major implications for crude prices. And in corporate news, Disney abruptly canceled a cruise sailing and is offering refunds. Not the kind of headline the House of Mouse wants heading into summer travel season. Let's check in on crypto now. Bitcoin added 0.6%, trading at $81,828. Still hovering below that key psychological level of 82,000. Ethereum slipped slightly, down about 0.3% to 2,341.49. Crypto overall was relatively quiet today. On the Forex front, we don't have updated readings on the major pairs tonight. We'll bring you those numbers as soon as they're available. So here's the big picture. Indices closed green, but the divergence inside megacap tech tells a deeper story. Tesla and Nvidia led the charge while Alphabet and Meta dragged. Commodities stole the spotlight with silver's massive rally. And oil continues to react to Middle East developments. Looking ahead, keep an eye on any updates around the Iran truce negotiations. Watch silver to see if this breakout has legs. And monitor those Mag 7 names for follow-through. This kind of rotation can set the tone for the rest of the week. That's your market close for today. If this was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.